I'm gonna try to trade. No, this Nito. Trading Nito, going once, going twice. OMG, I'll offer this Shaggy Nito. Oh my gosh, accept. Here. This is so cool. Okay, now I'm gonna try to trade this Paw Print Dimple. Trading Paw Print Dimple, going once, going twice. I'll offer this game console Poppet and this mini Poppet. If I add this, will you add? OMG, yes, that's my dream Poppet. I'll offer this Turtle Poppet, this Infinity Cube, this regular Nito, this Poppet bracelet, and this chicken. OMG, accept. Here. Whoa. Like for